Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 75 Huntoon Memorial Highway, Building 2, Apartment 6, and this is a two bedroom, one bathroom condo for rent in Leicester, Massachusetts. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like when you come in through here. So I've been kind of around the property, and I really like how these condos are set up, especially the layout inside, because they give you this huge living room in which all of the finishes in this apartment, including in here, are in really great condition. And so it just looks really nice when you have that balcony at the end and lots of light coming in through here. You could easily fit multiple sectional couches in here, a living room / a dining room area, kind of whatever you want. There's seating at this L-shaped counter here where you could even put a bar if you wanted to put bar stools there. Just a lot of options to do with this living room, and it's really nice in here. There's the baseboard heating, which kind of goes throughout the unit. You'll see that in the other rooms. AC, which is already installed there on the wall. And I'm just gonna take a look just to kind of show what it looks like out here. So you got this balcony area. There is more buildings kind of around the back, but the view from back here is pretty enclosed, which is really nice to see, and just a great view. So pretty much lots of access to the view right back here with the balcony and everything. Then once you come inside, just go back through here. I'll try to get as many angles as I can to give you the best idea of the size of this place. But like I said, multiple, if you wanted to have a ring-shaped couch in there, even that could fit. And here's the kitchen. So you get the full set of appliances, actually kind of above and beyond what you get for most appliances at a lot of places. So you have the full stove, four top electric, plus the fridge, which has a ice and water dispenser. You got the microwave right above the stove and a dishwasher. So all the appliances here, plenty of counter space, lots of cabinet space as well. It's giving a very good vibe once you come through the front, and then the rest of the apartment is kind of back through here. So it's really great for socializing. If you had people, you still have the bedrooms tucked away back here. Here's the bedroom I would say bedroom number 2, because this is the smaller of the 2 bedrooms. If there was going to be a master bed, it would be over there. But they both have really good access to the bathroom, which is right across the hall. Floors are in great condition after the cleaning. So these are very clean floors, very vacuumed out very well. So it's nice to see carpeting, because a lot of places, only have the hardwoods, and some people do prefer the carpeting. This is vinyl and carpeting, and then over here, this is the bathroom. So you got the vanity mirror and kind of the rest of the bathroom in here. So there's the shower right here. Here's a little storage closet. It also has the boiler over here as well, and the baseboard heat, which is here in the bathroom too. Top down dryer and washer machine, and yeah, just having the vanity mirror is just a really nice touch in here. There's also a red light that comes on with the fan, and so yeah, it's a huge area. So very nice work with the bathroom here, like all the finishes in there. And lastly, there's the second bedroom. It's kind of the first bedroom if you count it as the primary bedroom, because this is the one with the majority of the space. In here, you can easily fit, king size bed, plus a desk, plus a dresser, things like that you would want to have. Maybe the dresser has a TV on it, but definitely a queen size in both of the bedrooms. And and this one has the sliding closet door, so it has both of those closets, plus those closet spaces there. And yeah, that was 75 Huntoon Memorial Highway, Building 2, Apartment 6. And if you have any questions on any of the apartments that we have for rent, you can go to nexuswor.com/for-rent or /vacancies. Go to our for rent page and schedule something with a leasing agent today. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.